Hi teens and tweens, my name is Stacy Lee, I'm your teen librarian. I have Brittany here, your tween librarian with me. What we're going to do is fun little challenge today, not really a challenge, just a fun little activity. It's really simple, but a lot of fun. That's why I wanted Brittany here with me, because it's something that you teens can do with your younger siblings, bring them in, teach them something really cool. What we're going to do, it's called walking water, and so we're going to just put water in a few of these glasses, a little bit of food coloring, and some paper towels, and then you'll get to see what happens. So let's do that. I'm only going to put water in every other glass, and you want to fill it up pretty high. So we'll do that one. This one. Do we have enough water? This is awkward.
I think so.
And then Brittany, do those last two. Skip one. And then we're going to add the food coloring. So you can either do this in a line like we're doing today, or you can do it in a circle and you won't have this last glass if you do it in a circle. But just so we can kind of show you what's going on.
Red?
Yeah, let me start with red. So in your first glass of water, we're going to put like 4 drops. Let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4. I did 5. 5 drops of color. So there's red, yellow. Brittany's going to put blue in this one and then red in that last one. And I'll do yellow. About 5 drops. And these.
And red in this one.
Yeah. Yeah, so what's going to happen is the water that's in this glass and this glass are going to go to this one, and it's going to turn green. And these two,
And this one will turn green.
sorry, this one's going to be orange. This one's going to be green. I know my colors.
Yeah.
So Brittany, help me put these paper towels in each glass. I think I got enough. Oop, it's coming unraveled.
Oh, it's already going.
Yeah, it travels pretty quickly. But the water will travel up the paper towels and then fill up this next glass. Whoop.
And this is just rolled up paper towel.
And that's it. And then you wait. And in a little bit, you'll be able to see what happens and how it changes. So, like I said, get your your siblings together, teach them something cool, tell them about water and colors. Brittany, is there anything you wanted to add to our little fun experiment today?
I think it's awesome. And Stacy showed me this before, and the transformation that happens, I thought it was the coolest. So I think you're going to have so much fun with this. You just have to be able to give it time and see what happens.
Yeah, so we'll let that happen. That's it for today. Just a little simple activity for you guys. Keep up the awesome work. We miss you. Keep reading, put in those summer reading minutes online, and we'll see you next time. Bye, guys.